Okay, this is video 2. I haven't opened it yet. This is going to be video 3. I just wanted to show this real quick and see the scales on that. Not crazy huge, but just enough. And a nice white, almost like ivory. Notice the jimping is finer and longer than we see on this knife. Oops, on this knife. Very nicely rounded, but if you can see that, it's not as much as on this one. This one has a little bit flatter spine right in here. Big difference is look at the false edge. Right there. Nice grind on that, both sides. And you notice it's got more sweep to the curvature. Coming from here down. And if you look at the older ones, this is a 98. If you look at 80s, early 80s, maybe 70s, some of them have a wicked curvature that comes right up to the tip, which is neat.